Tummy time is a simple but powerful exercise for babies, where they spend short, supervised periods lying on their stomach while awake. Here's a breakdown of tummy time exercises for babies. You can start tummy time as soon as your baby is born. The earlier you begin, the more natural it will feel for your baby. Try lying back in a comfortable position on a bed, chair, or the floor and place your baby on your chest, tummy to tummy. This is a great time to bond. Look into your baby's eyes, talk in a gentle, animated voice, and make fun facial expressions to keep them engaged. Sit down and place your baby tummy down across your lap, supporting their head so it stays in line with their body. If they fall asleep, gently move them to a safe sleep spot on their back. For extra fun and soothing, you can slowly lift and lower your legs together, or gently rock them side to side. The motion will often relax your baby. Roll up a towel and place it on a soft, flat surface. Lay your baby on their tummy so their chest rests on the towel and their arms are over it, with elbows tucked underneath for support. If their arms slide out, gently move them back. Talk, smile, or play with your baby to encourage them to lift their head. After a minute or two, they might get fussy. When that happens, roll them onto their back. This position helps strengthen their neck and arms, and the towel gives them a little lift to make it easier. Aim for 1 to 3 minutes at a time. Lay your baby on their back on a soft, flat surface. Gently hold one hip and guide it over the other to help them roll onto their side. This movement teaches your baby to move their hips and upper body separately, which is an important skill for rolling. Repeat this about 5 times on each side. The Baby Tummy Time Water Mat is a soft, colorful sensory toy that helps your baby strengthen their head, neck, and shoulder muscles while improving hand-eye coordination and social skills. With its bright colors, playful sea animals and soft, safe design, this mat turns tummy time into an exciting sensory experience your little one will love. It is leak-proof and waterproof, so your baby stays dry. It's easy to use. Just fill the center with water, inflate the edges with air, and it's ready to play. When you're done, simply empty it, deflate it, fold it flat, and store it in a bag. It's perfect for baby boys or girls over 3 months old and makes a great gift. With a little care, tummy time helps your baby grow strong and learn new skills. It builds muscles for rolling, crawling, and sitting. So each short session supports healthy growth and development.